Hey, what's going on, everybody? So today I'm in Amarillo Creek touring the largest floor plan by Ashton Woods. This home is a total of 4,142 square feet, guys. 5 bedrooms, 3.5 bath, 3-car garage, and it's only going for $520,000. So stay tuned. Hey everyone, Kamusta Kababans. My name is Kuya Oscar, your go-to real estate agent here in the greater Phoenix area. If you are brand new to my channel, I go around all the brand new construction communities. I travel both on the west side and also the East Valley side, guys, and I showcase brand new construction homes. I also tour resale homes and I also do area tours as well. So if you're in the market to purchase here in Arizona, make sure you hit that like, subscribe, and notification button and follow me in all these home tours. And guys, if you're looking to purchase here in Arizona, I would absolutely love to help you out. I've helped numerous buyers already purchased here, and I would absolutely love to be a part of your journey as well. So guys, again, today I'm in Maricopa City. If you're unfamiliar with Maricopa City, I'll put it on the screen for you so you can see exactly, where it is in correlation with Phoenix City itself, okay? Maricopa City is probably one of the fastest growing cities here in Arizona, and it is still growing and is growing really fast. I do a lot of content in this community for numerous reasons. This community is the only community in all of Maricopa that is USDA approved. What that means is that buyers can take advantage of 0% down payment. So that is huge, right? At the end of this video, we'll talk about the HOA of this community, the school district here as well, what elementary school, what middle school, what high school is attached to this community. All right. We'll talk about what's being built around Maricopa City itself. We'll talk about the buyer's incentives. With that being said, guys, let's go ahead and tour the diamond floor plan. Okay, friends. So here is the diamond floor plan. This is their Spanish elevation here. Okay. This garage is a 3-car tandem garage. So, we'll go check that out, but it's a pretty decent sized garage there. Facing the house off to the left-hand side, you do have double gates as well. So if you have a trailer or if you have a boat or, if you need more space on the side of the yard, this home has a double gate access on the left-hand side, okay? Long driveway as well. So if you have numerous cars, this is a great. So as soon as you walk through the front door, you have a nice spacious foyer area, nice tile flooring as well. You have 9-foot ceilings on the main. Off to the right-hand side, you have this pretty large multi-use room. And I say multi-use because you can literally, make this into a few things. You can make this into a formal dining area. You can make this into an entertainment space. You can make this into your office area. But nonetheless, this door right here, that actually is a closet for this room. So this, you could store a lot of stuff, whatever you need to stow away. It has a closet here, so that's really nice. Continuing down the foyer, we have a closet here. And around this corner is a half bath. So you have the stairs leading up to the second floor, but check out this main living space. Pretty large main living space. You have center sliding doors there as well, but this is a huge space. So if you love to entertain, or if you have a large sectional, you could definitely put an impressive sectional here and, extra chairs, but this is a really large main living room. Here is the kitchen. You have 42-inch uppers. Nice white cabinets there, large kitchen island. They were with the quartz countertops. They have a nice overhang, so you could probably put like 5 additional chairs here on the island. Let's go check out the pantry. Decently sized pantry there. Go ahead and open the cupboard so you can see how big it is as well. So a lot of shelving here in the cabinets. Down below as well. This is a gas community, so you do have a gas range. Okay. Here's the point of view to the main living room. So as you can see, a lot of space there. Open concept feel, really love that. Off to the left-hand side, you do have your dining area here. You could definitely put an 8-seater there. You know, so I mean, this house, guys, is definitely made for a large family, okay? Also, you do have 2 sets of sliding doors. So you have the center sliding there, and then you also have your standard sliding door there. We'll make our way to the backyard, but here in a moment. But around this corner here, you also have another kind of open space here. You know, you can make this into your office. Okay, this is maybe more appropriate for an office space. Okay, or this could be like just another playroom here if you have little ones, but another multi-use room here. And this is actually another storage area. So you can install some shelving units there, you know, but another good sized storage area there. So here is the access to the 3-car tandem. You have a soft water loop there. Okay, and here's the whole garage. So a couple things I noticed too is you can see the brackets for the garage door ends off, you know, just right there. So if you just have more space, or if you want to install some overhead storage, you could definitely install those. But this is a pretty good size garage. I'll go and give you another point of view. As you can see, you don't turn that into like your home gym, or if you have, you know, more toys, a Can-Am or dirt bikes, whatever. Great space over there. Kind of have this in-pocket area right there as well. But a really large and impressive garage. So really awesome. All right. Let's go ahead and check out the backyard. We'll go ahead and go through this set of sliding door. So you have covered area here. Okay, you could put more seating here, another dining area if you want, or both. But check out this backyard, guys. Pretty large backyard. So the Soul collection is actually the biggest out of all of them. They have 3 different collections. They have the Soul, Claro, and the Alba. This square footage, you're looking at about 7,800 square feet. That's the average lot square foot in the Soul collection. Okay, so if you're wanting more backyard, definitely look into the Soul collection. Okay, here's the side. You have the 2 AC units, and as you can see, there's still a lot of space there too. You got a spigot here, so if you want a garden, maybe have some raised beds, you know, really nice side yard. And on the other side, I'll go ahead and show you, but that's where the double gates are. So I'll show you how wide that area is. But you could definitely turn this into your own oasis, that's for sure. See, this side is pretty large as well, but I would definitely, I don't know, put a pool back here, lay some turf down, put a nice gazebo set out here. But you know, this is a blank canvas, guys. All brand new construction homes, unless you incorporate that within the contract, it will just come bare. That is pretty standard. So as you can see how it's just dirt, this is how you will get the house. Okay, so definitely be your own Picasso out here. Let's make our way towards the upstairs. So here we are upstairs. All 5 bedrooms are upstairs. Okay, we'll start over here where the loft area is, but check out this loft area. Really large loft area. These are 8-foot ceilings up on the upstairs level. Okay, on this side, there is your laundry room. And right off of the laundry room and the loft is the primary bedroom. So here is the primary. Really large primary bedroom. Here is the bathroom. Okay, a lot of counter space here. Double sinks. Here is the toilet area. You have a stand-up shower. Shelving. You put your linens over here, towels. And then you have this area that doesn't really have anything, but it does have a door. So, you know, this could be the guy's closet, I guess, or just more storage area. Sorry, fellas. And this is the other closet, or this is the main closet, right? So, you know, you can put toiletries in here, just do something in here. But that is interesting. Okay, so let's go take a look at the other bedrooms. All right, so as I said in the beginning of this video, all the rooms, you could put a king-size bed. Let me show you. Look at this bedroom. This bedroom is massive, guys. Okay, obviously the primary is the biggest room, but nonetheless, this is still a really good size room. Okay, it does have a walk-in closet as well. You have another storage closet here. Here's another bedroom. This one also has a walk-in closet. Right across from this room is a full bath. Here's another room. Now, what's nice about this room actually has its own full bath. So that's really awesome. Another walk-in closet here as well. And the last room is just right across. And here is the last bedroom with another walk-in closet. So all of the 5 bedrooms are upstairs, okay? This one is the only one that has its own full bath, with the exception of the primary, obviously, right? But really good layout here. Large loft, okay? And then you have additional 2 kind of multi-use rooms downstairs. But that is the second floor. Okay, guys, so that was the home tour. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know what you think at the comment section below. So let's talk about the HOA. The HOA is $91.50 a month. Okay, that covers top lots, that covers common area maintenance, the sports courts. Okay, that's what that $91.50 cover. What's really nice about this community as well, if you have little ones, the bus picks up the kids at the Starlight Community entrance, just literally right outside the gates, okay? If you're curious to know what the elementary school and middle school and high school, I'll go ahead and put that up on the screen for you so you can see what those are and also the drive times, okay? So again, we are here in the Soul collection. Just as a reference, the Soul is the largest floor plans here in this community. There's a total of 3. You have the Alba, the Claro, and also the Soul, okay? Now, the average lot size here in the Soul, you're looking at about 7,800 square feet, okay? So as we've seen in this video, the backyard is actually a pretty decent size, okay? So if you're looking for a home with more backyard, okay, definitely look into the Soul collection. There's a few move-in ready homes here in this community, okay? This home that I actually just toured you has already sold, but there is another floor plan, another diamond floor plan that will be available in May. So literally in 2 months, okay? It's gonna have fairly the same exact finishes, same square footage, all of that, okay? Backyard, it's gonna be very similar, if not exact, all right? So that is gonna be completed in May. If you're interested in more of the move-in ready homes, if this home is a little bit too big, I'll go ahead and put on the screen what other floor plans that are move-in ready, their square footage, you know, beds, baths, and square footage, and also tie in the incentives with those as well, okay? So here's a tip for you buyers. As you've seen from this video, there was no appliances. Okay, some of the homes, they don't have appliances. Go ahead and include that in your offer. Go ahead and include the blinds in your offer. And also, if you want a finished backyard, it doesn't hurt to ask for a finished backyard in your offer as well. Okay, but you got to be pretty specific on what you are asking for. All right, so definitely make sure to include all of those. Okay, the worst thing that they could say is no. They may counter. The best thing is that they could say yes, right? So definitely make sure you include those. Community, again, what's huge about this community, it is USDA approved. Okay, now there's specific criteria with USDA. All right, so you cannot have a combined income between 1 to 4 people in the household of 118,000. Okay, if there's 5 to 8 people in the household, you cannot have a combined total household income of 156,000. All right, the debt to income ratio must be 41% or less of the qualifying income. So again, if you want more information on USDA loan, or if you're looking for that route with 0% down, we could definitely hook you up with a lender here and they could go more into detail, but that is huge because USDA is only specific to certain areas, more rural areas. Okay, this community is a little bit further out from Maricopa, the main city itself. Okay, it's past the casino out here, so that's why this community is USDA approved. All right, so what is being built around Maricopa City? So Maricopa City is growing. Like I said in the beginning of this video, Maricopa City is one of the fastest growing cities here in Arizona. That's why homes here are still super affordable. I mean, there's homes here in the low 300,000s up to, again, this home is $520,000 and it's over 4,000 square feet. You look at this floor plan anywhere else, this could be closer to $1 million, if not over $1 million. Okay, there is Copper Sky Regional Park. Okay, so huge park there. They have festivals there as well. Wild Wild West Festival is held over there. Okay, they do have an aquatic center here. They have like this large recreational center here. It has pools, it has, gyms, it has sports courts. It has all that here in Maricopa City. You have the Lowe's here. Home Depot, I believe, is being built here. I believe they're also building a surf park here, according to a friend of mine who was in the police academy. But those are pending. Okay, but Maricopa is growing, guys. You already have a Sprouts here, grocery stores. From this community, you're looking at about a 10-minute drive to your nearest grocery stores, to actually the main road that runs through Maricopa. Okay, what's really awesome too about Maricopa City, you are about 2.5 hours away from the border. So there's a huge resort down there that a lot of Arizonians go to. Okay, it's called Rocky Point. So for spring break, summer vacation, a lot of people go down there, catch some sun, okay, get on the beach. So that is really close, or a fairly good driving distance from Maricopa City. Okay, from, let's say, Chandler City, you're looking at about 30-minute drive. All right, from Phoenix City itself, you're looking at about 45-minute drive. You take State Route 347 and hop on I-10. Okay, and that's going to take you to Phoenix City itself. All right, from the Phoenix Sky Harbor Airport, you're looking about that same exact drive distance. All right, now what's critical about Maricopa City, State Route 347 is only a 2-lane road, guys. So just keep that in mind. We're not foreign to, traffic. So if there's rush hour, you guys are going to be stuck in traffic. If there is collision, you guys are going to be stuck in traffic. And that's because State Route 347 is only a two-lane road. And that's just going to increase the traffic time. Okay, guys, Maricopa City, in my opinion, is a great area to look into. A lot of investors invest out here. A lot of first-time home buyers buy out here, and this is just a great area. It's safe for the kids, safe for families, and it's really nice. It's still kind of close in proximity to different cities around. All right, so with that being said, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions on this specific video, this floor plan, or any of the floor plans here within this community, feel free to reach out to me. Again, I would love to help you on your journey. Don't forget to hit that like, subscribe, and notification button. Go ahead and drop a comment too. Love to hear what you would like to say about this house. But aside from that, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye.